Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. I decided to create this look for you guys. I hope you like it. Keep watching to see how I created it. Okay babes, let's get into it. This is the Truth Serum from Ole Henriksen. And I'm just gonna put that on my face. Ooh. So I'm gonna do my brows off camera. Boom, there they are. Alright, so let's get into this eye look. This is the Plouise Badda Black base. And I'm just gonna put that on with a flat brush, kind of creating the shape I want to go for, and then I'm gonna blend it out with a clean brush. This is a Luxie brush, so it's a synthetic brush, and I'm just blending out the edges. Now we're gonna go blend some more. And then I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Blackout eyeshadow, and I'm just patting that on with another fluffy brush. And then I'm gonna blend that edge out. It's all about the blending. Blend, blend, blend. And blend some more. Now I'm gonna use the Joah Beauty Felt Tip Liquid Liner to create a wing. And now I'm using the LA Splash Cosmetics Glitter Liner in Miel on top of that. Clean that up with some concealer. It's the same concealer I use on my brows, which is the MAC Prolong wear. Time for some lashes. These are from Asylum. Now to face. Here we go. So I'm going to use the Farsali Care Liquid Glass Serum. Blend that in. And I'm using the Juvias Place Concealers in shade 8 and 9. And I'm mixing these to create my base shade. Blend it out. And this is the It Cosmetics brush. Flawless. And this is the Stellar Beauty Concealer. I think it's in shade 19. Blend, blend, blend. And this is just a Morphe brush. I think it's an E4. This is the Kylie Cosmetics Concealer. And this is in Chai. Just brightens up that inner corner. Some Juvias Place. Get that contour. And then a Japanese brush. This is the Patrick Star Setting Powder from MAC Cosmetics. It is discontinued and people are selling it for way too high. Illamasqua powder. And I'm just going to use that to set the rest of my face. Mocha Mommy to bronze it up. That's a Fenty bronzer. Oh yeah, there we go. This is the O Beach Cosmetics Liquid Lip, and I'm just using a black kohl liner to line my lips first, because I don't have like an official black lip liner. But it does the job. There we go. On to the liquid lipstick, y'all. Fill it in. This is the Nikki Tutorials highlighter from Ofra Cosmetics. So I'm going to do a little outfit switch. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.